AmaBhokobhoko ayaqhubeka nokuvikela isicoco sendebe yomhlaba njengoba bezobhekana nosokhaya iFrance baya kulomdlalo nje ilona qembu elingenalo ikhadi eliphuzu noma elibomvu. Umqondisi webhola lombhoxo uRas Erasmus uthi lokhu kusho ukudlala ngokucophelela.
We have to change our game to make it easier for referees, that it isn't always this crunch thing where they must try and work out who's dominant and who's not dominant, that there's also free-flowing passes and open tries and stuff like that, which was a really honest way that I wanted to say. And then the guys worked hard on level change, tracking. So yes, I think no cards. I think we're going fourth with discipline in terms of penalty counts.
Kanti kulomdlalo kulindele kubunzima obukhulu njengoba neFrance izodlalela isithunzi sayo ekhaya.
There's pressure on us and there's pressure on their own players of expectation. The referees under pressure with it looks like a little bit of forward pass, the crowd, they make it really exciting. So for us to get that red card, I know they also got one a little bit later, but to be in that game till the last 3-4 minutes definitely helped us to, I hope help us to what we're going to get on Sunday.
Lo mdlalo uzoba ngeSonto ngehora lesishagalolunye ebusuku.